So you've come across this video today because you've searched about heavily cutting back your camellia, and this is the worst video you've seen. Well, the reason why I did this is because they look like this beforehand. I didn't know what the old homeowner was trying to achieve, so I pruned them back. As you can see, I pruned them to different heights because I wasn't sure if they were going to survive, so I pruned them back to their branching segments there. I was very happy after 11 months to see that they hadn't died and all of the trees had survived. So that was a success in my book. As time went on, I tried to trim them down to the same height to make it look like a nice hedge. And after 2.5 years, I'm actually very happy with the result. I hope that you found this video very informative. Thank you.